Shake clubs like Nutrition Ambition in downtown Bismarck have been popping up all over the country lately. Nicole Gear quit her job as a nurse to open Nutrition Ambition with her husband, Jed.
I guess a leap of faith as well, because my wife gave up a very good career in nursing to give this a shot, and it's been interesting and fun and successful all at the same time.
She decided to take this leap because of a recent success she has had by drinking the shakes.
Since February, I've lost 40 pounds and hopefully, can continue to lose my weight.
Weight loss isn't the only benefit that comes with drinking the shakes. Nicole has found that she has a lot more energy and she doesn't get tired throughout the day. Nutritionist Kathy Stewart says that meal replacement shakes can be effective as part of a balanced diet.
If you have a shake as a meal replacement for part of your day, it's hard to say how much that would affect you because it depends on what else you're eating that day.
Gear has customers of all ages. Even high school students come in, but not necessarily for weight loss reasons. She says a lot of them are just looking for something good and healthy to eat. For Summit News, I'm Tara Franson.